in July of 2017, Apostle had said to you, he gave you some things, he spoke to you about some specific things that were personal to you, but also said, listen, you have an inheritance tied up. He told you this.
Yes.
He said, and if you sow towards that, if you give half of what you have now, God's going to unlock this inheritance that has been locked up. It was locked up for 2 years? 3 years?
2.5. It was the process, yeah.
So 2.5 years locked up, okay? So when something's locked up, it's time that you need to take some type of action, right? You need to go forward. So what was so amazing is that he gave you this word 100% accurate. I mean, just was amazing, powerful. He told you things about this because you hadn't said anything to anybody about you having an inheritance and it locked up. She didn't say anything. Apostle told her, this is what you have. This is what the Lord. And the thing is that, Apostle's hearing from Jesus face to face, okay? So he told her this, and he said, if you sow half of what you have, God's going to unlock it before the end of the year. Okay, you have to be accurate to give that information. She sowed. Tell them how much you sowed in July of 17. You sowed
$100,000 first time.
Right, $100,000. Okay, she had $200,000. She sowed half of what she had. God blessed her through her obedience, and he unlocked exactly what Apostle said you were going to have. He said you have $5 million that are locked up in your inheritance. How much did you get released to you and your family?
He said I had $2.5 million that had been delayed. Well, between me and my sister, it was $5 million. And so I said, yeah, that's my inheritance. You're exactly right. And so he said before the end of the year, it would be released, which it was.
You mean you may have inheritances locked up that you don't even know about. And an apostle talks about the hidden secrets, the hidden treasures, the hidden things that we have that we don't even know about. God will create an inheritance that you don't even know is back there. Something even in your generation's generation from years and years and years ago that you don't even know is due you. Amen. I'm telling you, it's going to happen.